Most of us using Google Drive in our daily routine. If you are using an Android smartphone, you may already know Google services are well integrated into the system. All of our files, including photos and videos, can be set to back up automatically into Google Drive. But when we come into our Windows computer, this story is different. Windows computers are designed to work with Microsoft services. They use OneDrive as an alternative Google Drive cloud service. Because of this, most people using their browser to interact with Google Drive. But using a browser, we can't back up and sync our files automatically, as they do in our smartphones. We can use Google Backup and Sync Companion, which enables automatic backup and sync facilities in your Windows computer. First and foremost, we need to download Google Backup and Sync Companion for Windows. You can search it and go to the website by using search result. Find the download link by scrolling down the page. Then, download the tool by clicking on the link. After downloading completed, open Downloads folder, find the file you just downloaded, and double-click on it to start the installation process. Make sure to remain connected to the internet, as this setup will download some other files, which will be used to finish the installation. After completing the installation, close the setup file, wait few seconds. Google Backup and Sync application will be start automatically. When you see this screen, just click on Get Started button to personalize your Google Drive. Here you need to sign into your Google account, which will be used to backup and sync with this computer. Okay, now you can backup and sync your content. But before see the end, you need to select few more things. Let's see what are those. First, you need to select which directories you want to backup. You can select an entire drive, a folder. Choose them one by one to create your backup locations. Here, you see, the drive I selected has been set up completely. Well, sometimes, there are some file types we don't need to backup. Some people only need to backup their photos and videos. Therefore, we need to select which kind of files we need to backup and which are not. Here, you can add the extensions of the file types we don't need to backup. As an example, if we don't need to backup our music files and video files, we can type MP3 and MP4 as the extensions here. Once we have done, we can close this window. The next important thing is, how much space do we have to backup our files to Google Drive? Generally, Google gives us 15 GB free Google Drive space with each Google account. You have to use this space here. But there is a small trick. You can bypass this limit if you can give up something. Here it is. If you don't want to backup your photos and videos at their original resolution, this application can compress the size and reduce the size up to some extent. Don't worry, they are still pretty much usable. Choose what you want here and go to next step. Here you can opt in to backup your photos and videos to Google Photos. As you may already know, if you upload your content to Google Photos, you can access them via Google Photos application via any of your devices. The next important thing is selecting your bandwidth limits. If you are using an unlimited internet connection, you can skip this step. If you are not, you can limit the bandwidth for uploading and downloading content. This may help to prevent any additional charges and also reduce slowing down your connection. Okay, as the final step, you can configure which folders in your Google Drive to be syncing to your computer. This gives you the access to those files later, even without an internet connection. You can also select a location to save your Google Drive content which will be synced to your computer. Also you can personalize which folders you need to be synced. Once you have done, click on the Start button to start Google Drive services on your computer. Here is the Google Drive folder on your computer. Also, You can control backup and syncing progress from your quick launch panel. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider pressing subscribe button, as it will encourage us a lot.